Welcome! In front of me I have Polar Vantage V3 and I'm gonna show you how to turn off this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing any of the buttons. After you wake up the screen, press the back button right here to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. In settings, scroll through the menu, find the option called About Your Watch, and once you find it, tap on it, and here scroll down and find the power off or turn off button, my bad. Once you find the turn off button, tap on it. Come on. Okay. And we don't need to confirm, it will turn off automatically. Okay. So once you tap on the turn off button, you will need to wait for a second or two and the watch will turn off. And that's how you turn off this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.